Alright, good evening everyone. SirSniperJim here from the 643 box break site. Dual team buy it now of 11-12 contenders. So we'll quickly run through the teams and then we'll break our box. So thanks to everyone for the quick payments. So Anaheim, Crow, Boston, Felix, Victoria. Tom has the Sabres. Crow also got the Flames. Terry, Carolina. Felix, Victoria, Chicago. Blue Nose, Columbus. DJ Nell's mom, Colorado. Felix, Victoria, Dallas. Crow got Detroit. Zach Laurie, the Oilers. Felix, Victoria, Florida. Crow, LA. DJ Nell's mom, Montreal. Zach Laurie, Minnesota. Blue Nose, Nashville. And then DJ Nell's mom, New Jersey, the Islanders, Rangers, Ottawa, and Phoenix. Terry jumps in there with Philadelphia. DJ Nell's mom, Pittsburgh and St. Louis. Crow, the Sharks. Blue Nose, Tampa. Crow, Toronto. Blue Nose, Vancouver. DJ Nell's mom, Washington. And Tom with the Winnipeg Jets. Our box number as stated in the description. So we got 181108185. Alright, good luck everyone. Box is empty. And here we go. Pack number 1. So once again, all the hits will be sent out. If you want any of the base, let me know. We start with a hit for the LA Kings and Crow, number 212 out of 800. Calder contender Slava Voinov. And base. Cup contender number 86 out of 999 going to the LA Kings. And Crow once again, Anse Kopitar. Base pack. Another base pack. Base. Base. NHL Link for the Dallas Stars and Felix Victoria, Thomas Vinsour. And base. Base. Calder contenders for the Minnesota Wild and Zach Laurie. Number 529 out of 999, Drew Bagnall. Base. base. Another base pack. Base pack. Ooh, this is nice. Colorado Avalanche. DJ and Ella's mom. Calder Contender number 253 out of 800. Gabriel Landeskog. And base. Base. For the Winnipeg Jets and Tom. Calder Contenders numbered 76 out of 100. Paul Postma. And base. Base and final pack, guys. And we end with a base pack. So one quick bonus to join this one, and that's taking 2 spots for bonus box break 16. So let's give our chips a mix and see who. First spot for bonus box break 16 from this Contenders Buy It Now break. Owner of the Montreal Canadiens, DJ Nell's mom. And second one, owner of the New Jersey Devils, which is also DJ and Ella's mom. So we'll just do one more. Owner of the Winnipeg Jets. And that is Tom. So that ends it for this Buy It Now, guys. Thanks for everyone's patience. And I'm just going to stop recording, and then I'll just do the randoms for bonus box break 15.